Welcome back to Wolfie MR5. In this video, I will show you how to draw, cut, and assemble your very own paper car. You will need markers, a sheet of paper, scissors, and tape. Let's get started. First, you need to draw the outline of the car. Next, it's time for the details. Start with the wheels, then move on to the headlights, and add whatever you like. For this car, I'm going to add a hood scoop tool. Now, add a window, door, and side mirror. This is my favorite part, coloring the car. You can choose whatever colors you want, but for this one, I'm going to choose yellow, orange, and red. Finally, it's time to cut out the car. Be very careful, you don't want to mess it up. Final step is how I stand up all my paper cars. I'm going to use a magnet, but you can use whatever you want. Stick it with some tape and there you go. And there you go, now you know how to make your very own paper car. Don't forget to subscribe for more paper car awesomeness.